In here now we got the Fortnite game, playing it under NVIDIA Geforce now. This is incredible. Look at the display resolution. We are running on the Epic, and the FPS are like crazy right now. Wow, that's incredible. It's going into about 250 FPS. You guys will love it when this release, in full. Hopefully, it's will be not that expensive to play it. Look those FPS. That's ridiculous. Completely crazy. 210 FPS right now. Right now it's going about 600.
We're not ready to expand, but it never hurts to prepare. Check out the Storm Shield console menu to deposit resources, or return to the map. You can leave anytime by selecting Leave with Party from the Storm Shield console.
Right now it's running about 160 FPS. Of course, my connection is not that good. I know for a fact that if you have like a fiber optic or like about 100 megabytes per second or maybe like 1,000 megabytes per second, you should have a better connectivity. But I could say that this is one of the future technology that's gonna maybe replace the console, because by having this online with just a good internet connection, you could play from any actual computer. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this video, and now let me compare it with another computer that I have here, an old computer. So let's see how goes that on the next video.